Welcome back, investors, to Ticker Time News. I'm Adam, and today we're talking about Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir has fallen about 52% since reaching its all-time high of $45 on January the 27th. So I want to know, where is support and what is a good entry price point to hold Palantir for a long term? Hopefully, by the end of this video, I will have those two questions answered for you. But real quick, before we dive into the details that you came here to see, you can help out the channel and earn free money while doing it. First, earn $10 worth of Bitcoin by signing up for a BlockFi interest account and depositing $100. Plus, the added benefit to using BlockFi is that you will earn interest of up to 8.6% annually on your cryptocurrency. Second, earn 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850 by signing up to Webull and depositing $100. Click the links below to get started. Now, back to the video. So Palantir has been in a downtrend since March the 15th. You can see that with the black line going across your screen. Now, there's a few other lines that I want you to know about. One is the blue line at the bottom of your screen. And then we have 2 purple lines. And then finally, a red line across the top of your screen. If you want to buy Palantir for the best possible price, set your stock alert for $21. When it falls below it, you know you have a good buying opportunity. Now, the next 2 are purple lines. They act as support at some point. They also act as resistance at other times. So that's good to know for swing trading. And then finally, the red line across the top, it is the resistance line. And that's at $28 to $29. Usually, when Palantir falls into this area, it usually breaks down and falls apart. Except for the one time that it has risen above that area. And that was back earlier this year. Since then, it's had trouble to break above that point. So, Palantir, how low can it go? Well, if we go back here to this day, this great buying day of March the 5th, Palantir fell as low as $20.18. We have not seen it fall that far ever since. Now, the most recent fall for Palantir would be on March the 25th. It got down to a low of $21.05. So it didn't even break below $21 at that point. So what you're looking at here is the hourly chart. Real quick, I'm going to change this to the 1-minute chart so we can dial in what's happening right now. So remember the black line that I had as the downward trend line? Well, stocks act so strange, and I find it very fascinating. And it's why I love to map out stocks on a chart. There's so much, it's just interesting. So that trend line, if you look over here, notice that the stock bounced off the trend line. It did so again right here and here. And then here it broke below it and bounced back up. But then again here and again here. It's just so fascinating. And then again right here. And these are all the different times that the stock bounced off that trend line just today. So it's just so interesting, and I love it so much. But this is why you can use charts to your advantage when buying and selling stocks. All right, look at today. Look at this point right here on the chart. Right here. All right, so what we see along the bottom, this is volume, okay? The red sticks here there's more selling going on. When it's a green stick, there's more buying going on. So Palantir was up here right around $22. And it was selling off. And it got to the trend line right here, right? And this is the 1-minute chart. And then we have this humongous green stick popping up out of all these other sticks, and it's green. That means that most likely institutional buyers stepped in, like, say, Kathy Wood at ARK Invest, stepped in and bought a bunch of shares of Palantir. Last Friday, for example, ARK Invest bought 783,500 shares of Palantir. Now that is strong conviction. In Palantir last Friday, it's still trading in this 21-22 price range, right? And then we get a little closer towards the end of the day, and we don't have that big volume spike, but we do have it bounce off the trend line right here again. And this got down to, this got down to $21.41. That was the low of that candle. And then right here, before it finally turned around, I'll go in a little tighter on this, right there. Right here, the stick, the candlestick, the wick of it almost came down and touched that trend line before bouncing back up. And then look right here, it totally gapped up right there, which means there was a lot of buying happening. And then what do we have for the rest of the day? We have a nice trend line moving back up. So Palantir was down 3.7% today, and after hours, it's down another 8 cents. So not too bad. But if you are looking to buy Palantir and you want to start using charts to help you map out where are your buying opportunities, when's the best time to buy, simply drawing a trend line, and when the stock reaches the trend line, that's when you buy, or continue watching Ticker Time News and we'll point out your good buying opportunities. So I hope you found value in this video. Make sure to smash that like button, click subscribe, and join our family of investors. I'll see you in the next video.